Hello my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Besides the nice weather, summer is about enjoying produce. It seems that people tend to eat more salads during that season, and I don't blame them. Everything tastes so fresh. Now, depending on the salad, a lovely dressing can be added. But it's even better when it's made from scratch, like this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Catalina dressing. This recipe is awesome. It's slightly sweet with a tangy hint to it. Perfect to enhance your garden salad. It's extremely easy to make, and the flavors are much fresher than the commercial ones. So my friends, let's get cooking. In the jar of a blender, we'll add ketchup, chili sauce such as Heinz, some sherry vinegar, then tomato paste, agave nectar or honey if you prefer, followed by Worcestershire sauce, a little sweet paprika, a touch of garlic salt, as well as onion powder, before seasoning with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Next, we'll place the lid on without a cap and start the blender on medium speed. We'll emulsify the oil by slowly pouring it into the mixture. Don't rush it, otherwise the oil will separate. Now when this is done, we'll taste and adjust if necessary. Mine tasted just fine. If you add something to it, of course you'll have to process again. And my friends, this is our Catalina dressing. This homemade version tastes much better than the store-bought ones. Without 5 minutes, you have a colorful and tasty dressing for your garden salad at a fraction of the cost. This summer, enhance your salad by making this delicious recipe. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!